Snacks are the tidbits, tasty treats that we indulge in between our meals. Today I am here to dispel the negativity associated with snacking and would indeed give you 8 healthy, easy to prepare options to satiate our taste buds without compromising on our health. So keep watching as I'll share 2 indispensable tips at the end. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon given below. First and most common, popcorn. Popcorn is a whole grain which is a group of foods that boost heart health. It is high in fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals and low in fat and has no cholesterol only if air popped or oil free. We can air pop popcorns by heating popcorn kernels in a popcorn maker or a stove top. Pre-made popcorn often contains a high level of salt or sodium, so avoid flavored or packed popcorns if you wish to have a healthy snack. Second one is the mouth-watering fruit salad or fruit chaat. Mix all the fruits in any proportion along with a pinch of spices, herbs and lemon. A bowl of savory fruit salad not just satiates but also adds fiber in our diet, which is an essential nutrient required for weight loss. Names of all the spices and herbs are mentioned in the description box below. These superfoods are must to mention owing to their nutritional values. Third one in the list is the delectable yogurt. Yogurt is the remnant left after sieving the curd. Yogurt sweetened with honey and topped with yummy strawberries, mangoes, cherries, blueberries can be the best sources of protein, calcium and potassium without missing out on taste. Fourth one is an Indian snack which is making a comeback, that is fox nuts or makhanas. Although low in calories, makhanas can keep us fuller for longer because of being sufficiently loaded with protein. Fox nuts are low in sodium, cholesterol and fat. Although list of recipes with fox nuts is too long, simplest one is to roast the fox nuts in 1 tablespoon of oil with salt, pepper and other spices for a yummy ready to eat snack. Over-the-counter flavored fox nuts is another convenient option. Now, coming on to the salads, it is the easiest way to incorporate different veggies, increase the amount of roughage, and fill up the tummy without calories, retaining most of the nutrients which are lost in the process of cooking of food. We all know the advantages of salads but have traditionally consumed them as side dishes with our meals. In order to gain maximum benefit, especially to keep the weight in check, do consume salads as separate evening snacks or a meal in itself. These are innumerable ways to keep a salad and to customize it to one's preference, even adding embellishments such as paneer, boiled or sprouted dals, chicken and whatnot. The thing to remember here is have fun making your own recipe. Add whatsoever you like into any combination. Exact recipe is not important. Changing your mindset to give more weightage to a healthy lifestyle is. Sixth one in the list is vegetable juice. If you are at home, nothing like vegetable juice. The diuretic, kidney stimulating effects of vegetable juices help to expel excess fat, salt and toxins from the body. And next in the list are easy to carry, nutrient dense, thermogenic foods which enhance metabolic rate, that is nuts. A handful of nuts can fulfill our nutrient requirements wherever and whenever according to our convenience without derailing our progress towards health and fitness goals if consumed in moderation. So, moderation is the key word here. Prepare your own trail mix by mixing nuts, seeds, spices, herbs, dry fruits, roasted snacks in whatever proportion. So, go for nuts but in moderation. Last but not the least, the most versatile, nutrient dense, low calorie, healthy food to snack on is egg. That's why they are best to go snacks for me. Although eggs in itself deserve a separate video, but today as far as snacks are concerned, suffices to say that eggs are the best and cheapest source of protein which is highly absorbable and instantly available in form of energy. Eggs can be used in innumerable recipes which can please almost every palate. Now, as promised earlier, it's time to reveal 2 secrets to healthy body, mind and soul. Tip number 1. Consume herbs. These are the plentiful bounty of nature, a vardhan if you will. Adding various herbs like turmeric, mint, oregano, tulsi, kesar not only enhances the flavor but also boosts the immunity and invigorates various body functions. If we talk about cinnamon, it lowers blood pressure. Mint or sage improves memory. Peppermint relieves irritable bowel syndrome. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antiseptic. Tulsi fights infections and boosts immunity. And as if these were not enough, these herbs are the most commonly found ingredients in skincare products, cosmetics, and medicinal soaps. So go and get a beautiful and healthy you. Tip number 2. Keep a variety of seeds handy and inculcate a habit of adding seeds into every recipe because they are a great source of fiber, healthy fats, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. When consumed as a part of a healthy diet, seeds not only enhance nutrition but aid weight loss. I'm sure we all love Faluda, the Indian snack. The best part, according to me, is the basil seeds on top. You can get the same texture and taste without the guilt. How? Just soak the basil or chia seeds and add them to any food or consume as it is. Now, as we come to end today's session, I would appreciate if you can share in the comments below which one of these is your favorite snack. Also, add your own healthy snack. Staying updated is important, but staying rooted with strong foundation is imperative. Learn to be your own guide, not to be guided. See you in our upcoming video. Always remember that holistic education is discovering ourselves. So keep exploring and sharing.